Want to start earning from home? In this video, we'll explore the most profitable freelance services you can offer right from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skills, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. In recent years, freelancing has become a sought-after career choice, offering flexibility, independence, and an opportunity to turn your skills into a profitable business. Whether you're looking to transition from your full-time job or simply want to supplement your income, freelancing can provide a wide range of opportunities. In this video, we will count down the top 10 profitable freelance services that you can offer from home. From writing and design to marketing and tech, there's something for everyone. So let's dive in. 10. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, VAs, have become an essential service for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to streamline their operations. As a VA, you can offer a variety of administrative services, such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, data entry, customer support, and social media management. The demand for virtual assistants continues to grow as businesses increasingly embrace remote work and need support with day-to-day tasks. It's a flexible and rewarding freelance opportunity that requires strong organizational skills, time management, and attention to detail. Skills needed: communication skills, organizational and time management, familiarity with Office software, e.g., Google Docs, Microsoft Office, ability to work independently. 9. Social media management. In today's digital world, businesses need an online presence, and social media is one of the most effective ways to connect with customers. If you have a knack for creating engaging content, understanding analytics, and building a brand, social media management can be an incredibly profitable freelance service. Small businesses, influencers, and even larger companies are always on the lookout for skilled social media managers who can help boost their digital presence. Skills needed: knowledge of social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc., content creation, graphics, videos, captions, analytics and reporting, customer service, and community engagement. 8. Transcription services. Transcription is the process of converting audio or video content into written text. This is a lucrative freelance service that can be done remotely with minimal equipment. Whether it's transcribing interviews, podcasts, webinars, or medical dictations, transcription services are always in demand. This service can be particularly profitable if you have a specialization, such as medical, legal, or technical transcription, where accuracy and industry-specific knowledge are key. Freelancers in this space often charge a higher rate due to the specialized skills involved. Skills needed: fast and accurate typing skills, attention to detail, knowledge of transcription tools, e.g., Rev, Otter.ai, understanding of specific industries, e.g., legal or medical. 7. Website development and design. In the digital age, every business needs a website. Whether you're designing a new site from scratch or updating an existing one, web development and design are highly in-demand freelance services. Website developers are responsible for building the technical structure of a website, while designers focus on its visual aspects. If you have the skills for both, you can offer end-to-end web services. Popular platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Squarespace have made it easier for freelancers to work on a variety of web projects. Skills needed: proficiency in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other programming languages, knowledge of website design tools, e.g., Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, understanding of user experience, UX, design principles, familiarity with website hosting platforms. 6. SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, is an essential part of digital marketing, and it's something businesses of all sizes need to improve their online visibility. SEO freelancers help clients optimize their websites to rank higher in search engine results, driving more traffic to their sites. SEO requires both technical and creative skills, making it a well-paying service for those who are up to date with the latest trends and algorithms. Skills needed: knowledge of SEO tools, e.g., Google Analytics, Ahrefs, SEMrush, keyword research and content optimization, technical SEO, site structure, speed, mobile optimization, ability to analyze and report on SEO performance. 5. Content writing and copywriting. Writing has always been one of the most sought-after freelance services. Content writing focuses on creating blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and website copy. Copywriting, on the other hand, is geared toward writing persuasive content for advertising, sales pages, and email marketing. If you have strong writing skills, a good grasp of grammar, and the ability to write for different niches, this is an excellent freelance career to pursue. Skills needed: strong writing and editing skills, understanding of SEO principles, ability to write in various styles and tones, research and fact-checking skills. 4. Graphic design. Visual content is incredibly important for marketing and branding purposes, which is why graphic design is a highly profitable freelance service. Graphic designers create logos, social media graphics, website elements, brochures, business cards, and more. Whether you're working with clients in the fashion, tech, or entertainment industry, graphic design services are always in demand. Proficiency in design software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign is essential for this role. Skills needed: proficiency in graphic design tools, Adobe Suite, Canva, creativity and attention to detail, understanding of branding and visual storytelling, ability to work with clients to interpret their vision. 3. Video editing. The popularity of video content has skyrocketed in recent years, and businesses are increasingly relying on video for marketing, social media, and educational purposes. Video editing is a highly profitable freelance service that can be done from home using software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Freelancers who specialize in editing vlogs, corporate videos, or YouTube content can command high rates. Skills needed: proficiency in video editing software, attention to detail and creativity, knowledge of color grading and sound editing, ability to work with clients to meet their vision and deadlines. 2. Digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses a broad range of services, including search engine marketing, SEM, email marketing, paid ads, content marketing, and influencer partnerships. As businesses increasingly move online, digital marketing has become essential for their growth and success. This is an ideal freelance career if you have an interest in analytics, creativity, and working with various digital platforms. Skills needed: knowledge of digital marketing platforms, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, email marketing tools, strong analytical skills to track campaign performance, understanding of content creation and optimization, ability to stay updated on digital marketing trends. 1. App development. As mobile apps become integral to businesses and everyday life, app development is one of the highest-paying freelance services you can offer from home. From creating mobile games to developing apps for e-commerce or health tracking, app development offers immense earning potential. Skills needed: proficiency in programming languages, Swift, Java, Kotlin, etc., understanding of mobile app development frameworks, React Native, Flutter, ability to design user-friendly interfaces, familiarity with app publishing on Google Play or the Apple App Store. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Visit our website at wetransformacademyhub.com or check the link in the description for resources and guidance to help you succeed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building a thriving freelance business. See you next time.